Any other doubts you have? Done. Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are few extra questions are there. Still we left out. So we need to do that. And then some of an AP we will do. Level 2 type of questions are there. Write on the question. And mark these questions very well. So that is whenever you are revising this chapter, these questions you have to revise. If the mth term of an AP is 1 by m and mth term is 1 by m, then show that mth term is 1. So here instead of numbers, variables are used. If the mth term, m and n are any numbers, it is exactly similar. That is, you have solved one question. The ninth term is 1 by 7 and seventh term is 1 by 9. Then show or find out the 63rd term. You might have solved in this one 5.4 exercise. Check. Here only you have solved. So this is the similar type here. M and N are variables. So mth term means am is equal to 1 by n and an is equal to 1 by m. So we have to calculate mnth term is equal to 1 we have to show. Same method we have to use it as we have used for numbers. Linear equation in two variables we will get. We have to solve those. Am means what's the formula for mth term?
A plus m minus 1 by d.
A plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m. Open the bracket. A plus md minus d is equal to 1 by m. And nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m. So a plus nd minus d is equal to 1 by m. Now subtract these two equations. A plus nd minus d is equal to 1 by m. A plus nd minus d is equal to 1 by m. Subtract minus minus, this is plus, this is minus. A minus a cancel, minus d plus d cancel. This is m minus n into d, which is equal to 1 by m minus 1 by n. Let's simplify this. This is equal to m minus n by mn is equal to m minus n into d. So this is m minus n and this m minus n get cancelled. So d is equal to 1 by mn. This is we got d term. Now substitute this value in any one of the equation to get the value of a. A plus md minus d is equal to 1 by m. A plus m into 1 by mn minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by m. This n get cancelled. A plus 1 by m minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by m. This plus 1 by m, if it is transferred to RHS, what will happen? Transfer everything on that side. This is 1 by m minus 1 by m and this is minus 1 by mn will become plus 1 by mn. So this is 1 by m and this is 1 by m get cancelled. value of A is also 1 by Mn. This is A and D you got. Now we have to calculate mnth term. So what is the formula?
Ma'am, A plus Mn minus 1 by D
By
into
D
D. Into D.
into D. Right. A plus Mn. In place of Mn, you have to write whatever the term they are asking. Whether it is a product, whether it is a sum, what is the difference, whatever it is. But in place of n only in the formula, you have to substitute this value. So this value we have to calculate. A is 1 by Mn plus Mn into D, that is 1 by Mn, minus 1 into D, that is 1 by Mn. So this get cancelled. 1 by Mn minus 1 by Mn. So this is plus, this when it is cancelled, the answer is 1. This minus this is 0, but answer of this part is 1. So mnth term is 1. Got it? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Everyone, is this clear? These questions are there for 3 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
So
I'm done, ma'am.
Ma'am, is this question for 3 marks?
yes. Next question. Completed earlier one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If pth term is q, qth term is p, then show that nth term is p plus q minus n. Okay. So pth term means ap is equal to q and aq is equal to p. Clear? That they are asking nth term is equal to p plus q minus n. So first two have been given, third you have to prove. AP is equal to Q is given. So what is the formula?
Q is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D.
N minus 1. Where is N here?
Sorry, P minus 1.
So A plus PD minus B is equal to Q. Qth term is A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. So A plus QD minus D is equal to P. Subtract both the equations. Whatever the method just we have done earlier the same way, here also we have to do. We have to find the value of D minus A minus A cancel, minus D plus D cancel. P minus Q into D is equal to Q minus P. How to find the value of D then?
Ma'am, do we take minus out from Q minus P?
Yeah. Minus sign.
D is equal to minus 1.
Yeah. So D is equal to minus 1. Substitute in any one of the equation. A plus QD minus D is equal to P. A minus Q plus 1 is equal to P. So A is equal to P plus Q minus 1. This is A. And now find out nth term. A plus N minus 1 into D. A is P plus Q minus 1 plus D is minus 1. So when you are multiplying with minus 1, P plus Q minus 1 minus N plus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Answer is P plus Q minus N. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Are we did?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If m times mth term is equal to n times nth term, then show that m plus nth term is 0. So what is the equation given? What is the given equation?
Ma'am, m into like a whole bracket a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n into whole bracket a plus n minus 1 is equal to d plus d.
M times mth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. N times nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d. Can you multiply inside? You have to open the bracket by multiplying am plus m square d minus md is equal to an plus n square d minus nd. You have to multiply with d also and you have to multiply with n also. Now take these terms on RHS, LHS, all of them, and write the like terms together. am minus an plus m square d minus n square d minus md plus nd is equal to 0. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
So from two terms, take common things. So from here we can take a common in the bracket m minus n plus d common m square minus n square minus d common m minus n is equal to 0. Minus d we have taken common, so it will become m minus n. Because you can see here m minus n is there, m square minus n square. So here also we need m minus n. So therefore, take m minus n common from this. So what is left in the bracket? Yes,
Ma'am, a plus d into m plus n minus d.
is equal to 0. This m minus n is a product. When it is transferred to RHS, it will become 0 by m minus n. So 0 by m minus n is 0. So therefore left out is a plus d plus m plus n minus d is equal to 0. Take d common from these two terms. A plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Consider this as equation 1. And what they have asked, m plus nth term. A m plus n is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. And value of this already we have got as 0. So m plus nth term is 0. Got it? Did you get it?
No, ma'am.
No.
Indra would say. Third step.
I understood until the equation 1. After that, I don't know what we.
What they're asking
Ma'am,
to find out,
ma'am, I don't understand the m minus n part.
the common factors here.
No,
And
I mean next step.
then this m minus n will transfer here.
Ma'am, so what are you doing here, ma'am? M minus n.
We have taken m minus n common from all three terms. This is 1, and this is third term.
Oh, so you're doing m. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, how did it become m plus n over there, ma'am?
M square minus n square was there. The factors are here it is m square minus n square. So what are the factors?
Oh, okay. M plus n and m minus n.
Out of that m minus n we have taken out.
Okay.
And what's the next step?
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood these three questions? Mark, these questions are very important. Everyone finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is all about the nth term of an AP. Next, we have to learn sum of an AP. Sum of an AP, that means we can calculate the sum of given number of terms. That means if the sum AP is known, then sum of first 5 terms, sum of 10 terms, 38 terms, anything we will get to know by the formula which is called the sum of an AP. Okay. Then what is the formula? Here it is sum of an AP. The first term is given A, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and so on. AN is the last term. Then we can find out the sum of all terms. That means A plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus so on till nth term. We can find out. That is called sum of an AP denoted by the symbol Sn. Sum of these many number of terms. That n can be anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything is possible. So this is called sum of an AP. That is adding the numbers from beginning to nth term. If we add, then we call that as sum of an AP. And that is the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Multiply with n by 2 into first term plus last term. This is the formula. Or in place of nth term, we can use the value of n formula for an. That is, it is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this will become n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is the formula of sum of an AP. Either you can use this formula or you can use this formula.
Ma'am, which one is easier?
Both we have to use it depending on the given things. If
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have given the last term, if you know, then use this formula. If you don't know last term, only the first 3, 4 terms of an AP is known. That time we don't know the last term, so we have to use this formula because difference and a value we might have. So nth term is not there, Nth term is there, directly use the first term, first formula. If nth term is not known, then use the second formula. So we have to use both of them. So how it comes, I will not explain you, otherwise you will get mad. It's not so easy to understand. And it will not be asked, so I'm not much more explaining this part. Okay, so we will go to the questions based on this. First NCERT we will finish and then I will write down those formulas.
Ma'am, NCERT 5.3 exercise, right?
Yes. Before that, questions we have to solve. First question is a simple question. Sum of first 22 terms of an AP. AP is given here. We don't know the last term. So what are the terms are we have given? Write it down. A value is 8. D is equal to 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. And N is equal to 22. Then use the formula as sum of 22 terms is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 22 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. This is 11 into 16. 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 into minus 5 minus 105. 11 into minus 89. Minus 99, 9, 979. Are you able to understand to use the formula? How to use the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. If the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. 20th term they have asked. So first we need to form the AP or A and D values we know. Need to know, find out. First term is already given 10. That is A is equal to 10. Sum of 14 terms is 1050. They're asking 20th term, not sum of 20 terms. So use the formula as 14. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 14 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 14 minus 1 into d. We don't know the d value. That is equal to 1050. 7 0. 7 into bracket 20 plus 13d is equal to 1050. Bring 7 on RHS, it get divisible. 20 plus 13d is equal to 1050 by 7. 7 15s are, so that means it is 150. So 13d is equal to 150 minus 20, that is 130. So 13d is equal to 130, d is equal to 10. D10 we have, A10 we have, then find the 20th term. A20 is equal to A plus 19D. 10 plus 19 into 10. So 10 plus 190, that is equal to 200. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Next question is, how many terms of an AP must be taken so that their sum is 78? So sum is 78, they have given. Sn is equal to 78. How many terms? That means n we don't know. Value of A is 24. And what is the value of D? 21 minus 24, that is minus 3. So let us use the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to A by 2, A plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is 78. That is equal to 78. N we don't know. N by 2. 2 into A. that is 2 into 24 plus n minus p into minus 3 is equal to 78. Simplify, this is 48 minus 3n plus 3 n by 2 is equal to 78. 48, here we cannot take 2 common, so 2 transfer it on RHS. N into bracket 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n is equal to 156. That's 2 multiplied to RHS. So it is minus 3n square plus 51n is equal to 156. So minus 3n square plus 51n minus 156 is equal to 0. Change all the sign because n square is negative. So we'll change all the signs. This is 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. And then all the terms are divisible by 3. So divide it. N square minus 79 plus 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 52. So we have to solve this. 13, 4, 13 and 4. N square minus 39 minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. This is n into bracket n minus 13 minus 4 into bracket n minus 13 is equal to 0. So n minus 13 or n minus 4, these are the factors. So values of n will be 13 or 4. So that means why we get the two answers? We got both positive answers. That means sum of 4 terms is also 78 and sum of 13 terms is also 78. How is this possible? Are you able to understand? Are you able to
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand this, how we have solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how there is the two terms whose sum is same? How is that possible?
Ma'am, 13 includes even negative numbers.
13 includes negative numbers.
The one with
Sum
13
of
terms.
4 terms and sum of 13 term means what? Sum of all 13 terms from 1 to 13. In that case, how? The sum of first plus second plus third plus fourth term is equal to 78. Then sum of 1 plus 2 second term plus third term plus fourth term plus fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. Sum of all these is also 78. When is this possible?
Ma'am, when they're in AP.
Yeah, they are in AP. That's the reason we have solved, no? Otherwise, we cannot use. If the terms are not AP, we can only use this formula. Yes? No idea. We will write all 13 terms. 24, 21, 18. The next term will be? What is the next term?
15. 15.
Then
12,
12.
9,
9.
6,
6.
3,
3.
0,
0. 0.
minus 3,
minus
minus
6,
6,
Minus 6.
minus 9,
Minus 9.
minus
12.
12,
Minus 12.
minus
Minus 15.
13. sum of all four terms is 24 plus 21, 45. 45 plus 15, 60. 60 plus 18, 78. Now after that, see this to this. What you will get? Sum of all these terms is some of these terms are from here to here. What you will get the sum?
0.
0.
0. 3
Zero.
minus 3, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. So that's the reason from 5th to 13th terms include positive also and negative term also. So due to which the positive and negative terms adds up to 0. The sum of all these terms is 0. So therefore, sum of first four terms is 78. And these remaining numbers is sum is 0. So 78 plus 0, what is the sum of 13th term? Again, question. 78. So then sum of 13 terms also came 78. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Reason clear why there are two values of n we got. Because the first term, so till the lowest value, the numbers are proper, intact numbers, positive numbers, or maybe a negative numbers, depending on the sum. Then after that, till that number to the next second n value, whatever you got, includes both positive as well as negative numbers, due to which they add up to become 0. And that's the reason the sum of two terms, two position numbers becomes same. You have to justify that. You have to write the statements for that. The question is always asked justify double answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is this clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you copy that?
Ma'am, tomorrow's test is only from NCRT, right?
Yes. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then set answer.